Hello, my friends. Hello, hello. Sorry, I was doing the course until uh, I overlooked the time. Oh my god, it's so late already. Okay, let's go. Have to scan through everything again quickly. HSI doing good. How's my Baba doing? Okay, it's coming back up a little. Same goes for JD. IWM nothing over here. SMH also nothing for me. Bitcoin retracing a little. Looks like it's going to retest this trend line before we get a rally from here. Okay, why is my pen this color? I need to change my pen color. Okay, to blue. Uh, okay, we'll continue to scan through everything. Okay, SPY looks like we are getting this rejection. We have officially closed under the trend line and we are getting a small rejection in this area. So SPY might, continue to trend down or correct from here. Then after that, we will get something, like a deeper pullback before another huge rally starts. So I'm actually monitoring this area and I have already exited most of my positions. I only left with a little bit only. Same, okay, Tesla, I'm actually still holding it, so no changes over there. And Nvidia, I do expect a larger pullback. Yes, correct. Okay, Nvidia, let me see. Okay, I'll connect this trend line. Yes, Nvidia, we have also broken out of the trend line, so definitely it's expecting, a larger pullback, same as SPY, before we get an upside from there. Okay, I will continue to scroll and see what can we find. EMD is also pulling back as well. Hopefully I'm not muted, huh? Can you guys actually hear me? Because based on here, yep, it does seems like I'm not muted. Okay, I have a long-term investment in Intel and it's a little bit garbage. I feel like closing everything off. Okay, let's continue to scroll everything. Okay, Apple, I still expecting that downside from Apple. Hello, my friend, Jinwei. Hello, hello. Nice to see you, brother. Yeah, today I started a little bit late because I was doing the course and I was listening to my own video until I didn't realize, oh, 9:20 already. I quickly, started the live stream. So we left with roughly about 3 more minutes until the market open. Let me scan through most of the instruments that I usually trade and see how are they actually performing. So a quick one, so I can give you guys updates and everything. Okay, bro, user, give me a bit of time. I started the live stream today a little bit late. Yeah, I was doing the course, then I didn't realize, time has passed so fast. I started, I think, live streaming maybe 2 or 3 minutes ago only. Yeah, so right now I'm doing a quick scan on the charts. Overall, I do expect, the overall market to pull back. But of course, we need to monitor for a little bit. Okay, my crowd is still doing fine. My CrowdStrike is still doing fine. Yep, I have moved CrowdStrike to break even already. Then after that, let's see what it does. Either it take off or take me out for break even. Okay, I'll do a very quick scan for most of the instruments that I trade. There's nothing here. Okay, maybe one of it to look out for is Fastly. Fastly, I can set the alarm. Wait for it to be triggered. And same thing, continue. Roku, nothing. OXY, nothing for me. CVX, also nothing. UNH, nothing. Okay, I'll scroll down a little. Okay, Costco, let me see. Hey, no worries, user. If you have any questions, can ask. I'm just scanning through the charts very quickly. Wait, something dumb down. I think it's CRM, right? Not CRM. What is that? I think I saw a chart that has this like sell off. Oh, it's DHR. Okay, no opportunity for me here. DHR. Okay, CVNA actually looks quite nice though, but I don't think it will be ready anytime soon. Might be next week already. By then, yeah, we can set an alert on CVNA. Nothing. BNTX, nothing as well. Net, nothing. Moderna, nothing. UAL coming down. Okay, DAL I got out of the position during pre-market because we have a huge sell-off on this. And Affirm, nothing. Upstart, nothing for me. CCL, nothing. LMND, also nothing. Sophie, nothing. How about the Snow? Snow is actually looking quite good though. Let's set alarm. Okay, I have an alarm on Snow, which is good. I will extend the trend line a little bit and then make sure, when we have the breakout, I get triggered. Other than that, yeah, more or less, I think today likely, I think we will have to wait for a little bit, especially for SPY. I can show you SPY. Okay, market open already, and it looks like this area, it broke out of the trend line, came below $600, and right now it looks like a retest of 600 before we see downside. So I'm not too sure whether this will happen or not, but I have to monitor for a little bit. So if that does happen, congratulations to my SPY put option user. I will make money from my put option. Yeah, so right now it does looks like a sign of rejection, I guess. So we have to take a look. So from here, even if you go to the 15 minutes, there's a lot of those, long wicks candle. It looks like it's retesting 600 and the trend line as well. But if we really get some downside, I would definitely love to short something. Okay, but I'm not too sure what to short yet. I will wait for a little bit, about I think 15 minutes or so. Oh, Tesla and Nvidia is nice though. Nvidia is actually going back up. AMD I do have this zone over here, possible to buy, but I would love to see AMD coming into the zone even more. Yep. Oh, you also bought the put, huh? That day. Okay, nice. Yeah, just hope that market will pull back. If market pull back, our option will definitely make money. Because from here, it does looks like retesting of the $600 and then retest of this trend line. So you have like a breakout, a retest, and then continue to dump, something like that. So I do expect the market to correct a little. Maybe it's due already and it will start right now. So let's wait for a little bit. But Nvidia is super strong though. Nvidia might be also, doing the very, very same thing. Breakout of trend line, retest the trend line before it dump. Yeah, because something like that, something like a V shape, I got no setup at all. I can't short, I can't long. Okay, Amazon, I close out everything. Yeah, so I gave back a little bit of profit, but not much lah, because I only left with 20% of the position. Then I closed at what price? Let me see. Yeah, it was all the pre-market period that most of my stop loss got triggered. Then after that, they closed out all my positions. So Amazon, I closed at 215.7, 215.7. Yeah, somewhere here. Oh, it was yesterday, is it? Yesterday got closed out already. Yep, yesterday got closed out already for Amazon. Fastly, yeah. Okay, let me see. Fastly. Okay, Fastly, I will not be so aggressive, because if you take a look at IWM is also pulling back. So fastly I will wait for the breakout trade. So if you want, you can actually draw this trend line like me on the 1 hour chart. Then just set the alarm on the trend line. So if you do get a breakout, you can buy. But of course, there's like one zone over here, but I wouldn't recommend buying as of right now. The reason is because the overall market might pull back. So this zone might not hold very well, but of course you can monitor for a while. The lowest price is about $7.70, 71 cents, 7.71, and it's already in the zone. So it's 7.94 for the top. So around this range. But I don't think it will hold. I think it will come down more though. I have to, see what the overall market does first. Yeah, I think this trade can be a little bit dangerous. Yeah, a lot of stocks are actually pulling back. The mega techs, most of them are going down. Okay, Apple is also going down. Apple, two places to watch out for. The first one is actually around here, 195. The second one is 185. So around these two areas, can definitely look for opportunity to buy Apple. But I would really like the market to pull back. The market is too overheated already. There's not much like meaningful pullbacks. Okay, SPY, that might be break out a retest and dump. Come on, dump more. Let me make more money from my SPY option. I gave back quite a lot of profit. I need all this to help me to cover back. Okay, is the SPY option is actually in the money already, but then it's not in the profit yet because we need to factor in the contract price, right? Yeah, definitely not making money now. I think about 597 or something will start to make money. Yeah, 597 is not far away lah. 597 is actually just under here though. Under here, under this low. Is this pullback because it's rallied too much or news? Okay, based on what I always see, right, is even if when you use technical analysis or that, you can more or less tell the market, will pull back or that. Then after that, when you have already identified that, some catalyst or some news will start to plunge the market or make the market pull back. So technical is like the leading part. It's like a leading indicator to tell you whether you should be defensive or aggressive or that. But of course I do look at a number of factors like VIX, the fear and greed index, and everything. So from here I don't really like what VIX is doing. This shows me like even for VIX you just draw a trend line, something like that. You can see VIX has a breakout already. So from here VIX might start to spike up. If VIX spike up, likely the overall market will start to pull back. It's usually the inverse relationship with the market. So when VIX is up, market will go down. When VIX is low, market will go up. Something like that. So I also don't really like this part about VIX, but then the fear and greed index is something that I have been very puzzled for a while now. Because normally when the market has moved 20 over percent in 2 months, I don't think this is in only greed though. I think it should be in extreme greed already. Maybe because recently the momentum is a little bit slower, so it has not entered the extreme greed as of right now. Yeah, but of course this wouldn't be 100% accurate. I do notice a lot of times where the market pull back in the greed area where it's super extended really, but it still didn't enter the extreme greed zone. I have no idea why it does that. Hey, no worries, user, no worries. Yeah, just urge all of you to be a little bit more careful as of right now. But it looks like it's also going up, so I'm not too sure what it's doing over here, so I have to wait minimally, I think until maybe about near to 10 p.m. or something, then we can see what's the real direction, whether it will start to go up or go down. Yes, the fear and greed index never move at all. It's quite weird lah. Usually at such, from here is like, okay, we take a look at the fear and greed index again. It says that 1 month ago, 1 month ago from today is actually 66. Okay, so if we look back at the chart 1 month ago, so around like 12th of May. So 12th of May is actually here, so around 12th of May. So let's say for example around here. So until the current price, the market went up at the top roughly about 5.86%. But the fear and greed is actually lower than what it was 1 month ago. So I'm actually quite puzzled by that. Okay, so you can see from here, market open here. After that, went to the top about 5.84, 5.85 area percent. Then after that, it didn't actually goes into extreme greed. That's quite weird. Okay, Ellie, okay bro, AMD, sure. I do like AMD a lot. I love it. It's one of my best stock. I'm actually looking to buy AMD, Nvidia, all that. AMD, I'm actually waiting for this consolidation in this area, and right now we are actually on the 4-hour chart. But of course, I'm not too sure how long the consolidation will last. I need to see the overall market pullback. If the overall market pullback, I think AMD will pull back deeper before we start another new rally going up. Okay, I do have a very high target for AMD. My very first target initially was 135. So 135, maybe I'll book some partial profits or something like that. After that, I'm actually expecting AMD to come and break its all-time high around here, about I think 227, 228 area. That's why I love AMD, because AMD has been in this consolidation since March last year. So it has consolidated roughly about 1 year, 1 month before you get this move going up. But of course, I definitely want to buy AMD. But I'm more afraid of the overall market pulling back. Then AMD might pull back even deeper. Although it went into my zone already, this like black box. But I'm not going to buy it as of right now. I will wait for a little bit more. Yeah, so our market also just open only, so maybe I will wait maybe another 15 to 30 minutes to see what it does. Maybe AMD is actually coming back slowly coming back to retest this trend line before it starts to rally. So one of the possibility as well. Yeah, I hope this can help you a little. How is SPY? SPY still going up. Pullback layer. I need a pullback. No pullback, no trades. Can pull back or not? Don't go up lah, please. Okay, no issues, my friend. Okay, user, we have to, wait for a little bit and see what SPY does. Hopefully before our, put option expires, we can make some money from it. How about Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin pulling back hard or not? No, Bitcoin is still fine. Yes, still fine. Yes. How's my course going? I think about 50% done, but I re-recorded a lot of times just for, one topic. I re-recorded it again and again and again because I recorded halfway, then I listened back, then I noticed, oh, why I never talk about that? Then I was thinking, can I add in or not? So I decided, never mind, I just forget it. I just recorded the whole thing. Yeah, it's actually not too bad. I think the beginning is quite beginner friendly. Then after that, towards the middle part, it gets more and more challenging. Yeah, I did one topic today. Yesterday also one topic. But of course, over, let me see. Likely I think Saturday and Sunday I have a lot of time. I don't have anything to do. Likely I will record more topics. Yes, soon liao. But okay, user, I got another issue is that I need to start my own website, to host all these videos, all that. So I'm actually looking, asking my friend whether he can help me to, build the website a little, then I can just host the video because the website is going to help me to link to Discord and everything. So it will be like fully automated, that kind. Yeah, so one more thing to solve, huh? And I'm not an IT guy. I will solve until I big check. But of course, right now I'm actually in the some part I re-recorded the initial part. So more or less, I think I'm halfway done with the alert wave part because the alert wave part I noticed a few parts is quite complicated lah. So I re-recorded the whole thing. Then I listened to my own explanation and I asked myself, I understand or not? Like, not very clear leh. Spy, go down, please. Spy, go down. Please, go down. I don't have much positions already. Just go down. Dumb. Okay, we take a look at QQQ. QQQ, it looks a little bit stronger. How's my Tesla? Okay, for those that's interested in Tesla, I think you can wait for a little bit. I like what it's doing, and maybe we can get another breakout from here, let it consolidate a little bit more. Then you get a breakout, buy Tesla, guys. But of course, don't expect Tesla to break the all-time high around here. The reason is because I think the EV hype is more or less over already. So going back to the all-time high might be quite difficult. But of course, if you were to buy Tesla, minimum the target, if you want to target about 380 area, should be fine. Yeah, I have positions in Tesla. I bought somewhere down here. I have not taken off a single cent as of right now, just waiting for it to play out. Yes, user, the alert wave is actually quite hard to understand, but I want to make it as simple as possible so you don't have to read the book at all. Because I think the difficult part is because alert wave has this thing called the fractal nature of the market. Like let's say you have a move up, okay? Then this move up, to a lot of people, this might be one move only, but because this move inside of this move, right, there are fractal, there are small parts that contribute to this one single move. So maybe in the internal part you have like one move, two move, three move, four move, five move. So I had a hard time, I think, explaining this. So I want everyone to understand that one single wave can turn into 3 or 5 wave. Then same thing. So this 5 wave itself, right? Let's say this is number 1, this is number 2, this is 3, this is 4, and then this is 5. Let's say, for example, for the 5th wave itself, internally, it also has this fractal nature. So it's also another maybe 3 or 5 wave. Something like that. Then from this lower degree, like let's say this 5 way, right? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. can actually make up into only one wave. And this one wave is 1 degree higher of this fifth wave. Then same thing, this whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 can make up maybe into, let's say a wave, one higher degree A wave that makes into this one single move as a A wave. So I was having a hard time explaining this. Okay, Minecraft thoughts on core wave. Will it still go up? What's the ticker? I forget already. Core wave. CRWV. Okay, correct. Okay, I know. Yeah, recently it has went up quite a lot. Also, IPO not long ago, right? Yeah, I just IPO in April. Usually this kind of stock I will be a little bit more careful, especially after IPO. This went up like how much? From here all the way until the high, this is like 327% though. In how long? In 75 days. Yep. I don't know whether it will still go up or not. I have no idea, bro. Minecraft player. I would definitely wait. I will wait for some sort of consolidation before I will be interested in buying again. Because if you ask me to buy here, just IPO stock, I will not buy. Because a lot of times I believe you can search around like those newly IPO stocks. After a huge move going up, you see this stock slowly it does this. Then after you come here, it will go very slow for a number of years, something like that, for a very very long time before another huge move going up. Okay, just now I was doing one of the video and I did mention about this. So I was let me show you this. I think it's D. Is it D? Let me see. No, not D. Is it match? I think it's match. Okay, this is something like that. Okay, although match IPO long time ago, but then usually you'll see something like that. Go up for a huge move going up, then after you come down like this. Then over here it chop for a number of years. Can be 2 years, 3 years. Sometimes 5 years or something before that huge move going up. So Minecraft about the core wave, I have no idea. I can't really advise you from there, but I can show you this. So just be a little bit more mindful. Yeah, user, I'm trying to figure out how to explain the fractal nature of the market. I stuck at that part for a while. Do SMC work? Yes, I would say SMC works. As long as you have back tested it, it works. Yeah, Minecraft, no issues. Just be careful, okay? Oh my god, my SPY is going up. Will Bitcoin make all-time high? I do think that Bitcoin will make all-time high. I have a target at about 120,000. So 120,000 is around here. Yeah, I do think that Bitcoin can hit the 120,000 pretty soon. But I'm not too sure whether this consolidation is done already or not. But so far it looks like it's holding well. So right now we are actually on the 4-hour chart. We have a breakout. It looks like we're testing of the trend line before that move up. Yeah, I think 120k is a reasonable amount. You can maybe book some partial profits there, then you just move your stop loss higher after you see whether how much you can run to. Because there are analysts who says that Bitcoin can goes to 200,000 by end of this year, but 200,000 I think is a bit ridiculous lah. From current level, you need roughly about 80% to 90% gain for it to move to 200,000 though. Or you bought at 30,000. Congratulations, my friend, you make a lot of money. You must be a millionaire with it. Nice, bro. Nice. For me, Bitcoin, I don't normally trade it, but off and on, off and on. If there's opportunity, I will trade. Yeah. So one of it that I did was during the presidential election period, because Donald Trump was he's trying to fight for the presidency, and I think that Bitcoin will move up, so I traded that time. Hey, no problem, Wei Tian. Any chance it will crash? You mean your you mean Bitcoin will crash, is it? I don't see Bitcoin crashing anytime soon. Yeah, because if you just go out a little bit, right, Bitcoin, it actually broke above the 100,000 psychological level. Then after that, it went up, it came back to retest the 100,000 psychological level, and right now this might be the move going. So I like it. Because for me, usually when I want to buy Bitcoin, I will buy like maybe MSTR or Coinbase. So there are those stocks that are related to Bitcoins. Kepala, what are you trading right now? I'm not trading right now. I'm actually looking at the market. I'm monitoring, because I'm not sure whether this is the pullback that starts or not. So I do have, a few positions left, but it's tough though. It's quite tough because we have a breakout of the trend line, and we are not going back into the trend line as of right now. It looks like, it's just retesting it again. Maybe we retest a few times, this might tank from here. That's why I'm not buying anything as of right now. And we are almost 26 minutes into market open. So far, it looks like there's strength coming in. But sometimes after the first 30 minutes to 1 hour, things might change. So I'm waiting a little bit more before I make a decision. Okay, if market can continue to go up, I think the very first one I want to buy is EMD. I like EMD. Let me see my crowd strike. Oh, nice. Going, brothers. Crowd is going. Nice. Okay, since it's going, I want to shift my stop loss again. 472.6. Let me shift my stop loss. 472.6, right? Let me see. Yeah, 472.6. Okay, done. I also need to shift for myself. Okay, done for CrowdStrike. Did I miss any comments? Nope. User, are you actually looking at anything? Any recommendation for me today? Okay, yesterday there was a few that I looked at, right? What was it? Let me see. Oh no, I deleted it. Okay, snow can be one. Let's take a look at snow. You CSP, playing with paper account for CSP. What is CSP? The whale strategy, huh? CSP. Oh, snow looks like it's breaking out right now. I might want to buy snow. Cash secured puts. Ah, nice. Okay, 加油 brother. I hope you become a pro at that. Okay, we need to wait a little bit for snow. Snow might be breaking out already. It has already moved quite a lot for snow, and we don't have much pullbacks. Yeah, so for snow, uh, if this is a valid setup, try to take profit a little bit faster. Ah, I also must thank all of you guys, man. Today, why all of the regular guys they didn't come? What happened to them? Usually they are very early, very on time. Yes, possible. They are busy. Okay, I have a few stock in my Apple is one of them. Apple, I would definitely love to buy. Uh, but I need to wait a little bit for Apple. Definitely need to wait. There's something for you to keep on your watch list. Maybe about 195 or either 185 area. So the 185 will be the 0.618 retracement of this whole move. So either 195 or 185, I might look for opportunity to buy Apple. Morning. Low quiet cause nothing move. Swoosh. Oh, you are here, my friend. Right now, I'm a little bit, scared. I don't dare to, buy swing longs for now. Yeah, I want to wait for a little bit. Yeah, I also think that later on they will appear lah. Right now, maybe they busy with managing their positions. Okay, coin totally negates my view already. So coin, I'm not going to buy it anymore unless it comes into this turquoise zone. So the black one I can delete unless coin comes into this turquoise zone, which is about how much? 238 to about 230. Yep, I might be interested to buy coin. And then for MSTR, the triangle is also negated, so no triangle, invalid. I thought it was a triangle. So MSTR actually looks quite good though, as of right now. There's more strength in MSTR than coin. I'll delete this alert. This month my account grows so slow though, so super slow. It's like not moving that kind. I stuck at 4% for don't know how long already. I also looking to buy Apple. Apple looks good lah. Apple looks good, but just wait for it. About 195 to 185, I think it should be fine. Wait. Yes, this month is might be really a slow one. Yeah, though I think only the initial part I make money. Then after that, these few days, I look at my account like stuck at the 4%, not going anywhere at all. Then after that, I think by right, if I, before CPI, I exited everything, maybe I make a little bit more, but because I hold on to them, then today I just exited them. Some of them I think got triggered last midnight, then the rest during pre-market. So I gave back a little bit of profit. Okay, we have to be a little bit careful lah. Just over here, let me see. This is a very small gap. Okay. Although SPY, already fill this gap over here, but we are not too sure whether what it will does next. So from here it is actually quite crucial. Either it starts to go up or it will plunge from here. This one seriously difficult to trade, man. But I have a good mate, he seriously power. I don't know what he do, but he told me he's up 10% this month already. This is like what today we are only on the 12th, like 12th of June. He told me he up 10% and he's going to stop for the month. he says that this SPY like no momentum already. And after he's a little bit scared of the bigger pullback or something, then he gave back his profit. So he told me after today closing off everything, he's going for a holiday. I still can't go for a holiday. I haven't hit target, friend. How's QQQ doing? Okay, QQQ does looks a little weaker than SPY. So likely there are some other sectors. Sorry. Where is this? Where's my FinVis? Okay, let's go to FinVis. Then we can see what are the sectors that are moving today. Yep, so today is rather flat. But then the real estates are doing well though. Some of them they up about like 1.76%. Utilities also doing well. One of it NEE. I have no idea what's that, but today is up 1.66%. Yep, today real estate and utilities are the movers. But the rest is pretty flat and slightly more to the negative side. Financial is definitely bad. Everything in financial is red. XXX. How about Tesla? Tesla, I will wait. I have a position in Tesla. I will wait and see whether this will consolidate a little bit more before we get the upside. So if you want, you can try to draw a trend line over here. Then after wait for the breakout before you buy Tesla. Because okay, Tesla I do have a target. I think my target is 380. Yes, 380. So I bought at what price? 288.79. I'm targeting 380 as my first target. After from there, I might try to take some partial profits and see whether how far can Tesla go. Oh, Nvidia really strong. Oh, Nvidia today so strong, huh? What happened to it? Wow, 143 already. Nice. There goes my Nvidia pullback leh. Please lah, pullback lah. Pullback. Pullback. I want to buy Nvidia again. Pullback. 380 very high. Yes, it's very high. Yes, it's very high. But I think Tesla quite possible can reach there. But I don't think Tesla will, break the all-time high at about 485 area around there. I don't think it will break that. But I think 380 should be fine. But of course, along the way before 380, I will try to take some partial profit if possible. Then maybe I let about 50% of the position or what try to reach for 380. But of course, along the way, I will shift my stop loss. Who knows, Tesla can do this, come back, do this, come back. Before it reach until 380, it suddenly plunge. Then maybe somewhere around here, I will be taken out. So one of the higher lows I will be taken out. The only good thing, okay, wait, Steven, how about Oracle? Oracle earnings is good, huh? Oh, nice. This is like what? So yesterday, market closed here. Okay, the earnings, 13%, guys. So remember why I always say don't speculate earnings. Earnings, it can move either direction, at least about 10 to 20%. So you can see on Oracle, it moved about 13% already. So if you are wrong in earnings, it's going to be quite painful though. Shooting, what do you think about Oracle? Shooting above 200 sometime is actually very near to 200 already. I think it has broken up the previous all-time high. So all-time high as of right now. So usually it will pull back a little before it goes even higher. Yeah, I think this Oracle will be quite a nice trade. It moves so fast. Previously I bought over here though. I shouldn't have let it go. Nice. Oracle is nice. But whenever it starts to do a new all-time high, it's quite difficult to gauge how far it can go. Then all you have to do, is just to move your stop losses. Move higher and higher and higher. Someday it will just take you out. The only good thing was managed to buy back my Tesla covered call when it was negative 7k in May. Okay, switch. As long as you're making money, it's a good thing. User, AMD, are you looking for any entry? Yes, I do have this entry. So you can see it came into my zone, but I don't know whether I want to buy or not. You buy right now is like the stop loss is quite huge though. You entered at 121, and then you place a stop loss at maybe 118.5 or something. This is quite huge though for a swing trade. It's a little bit larger so if I can try to put a stop loss of maybe about $2 or something, I think it's quite good for AMD. Yeah, it came in already and is not at the 50% mark as of right now. I would love to see coming into the 50% mark, but sometimes you just doesn't get it. Then it can definitely rocket from here. But the thing is that SPY, okay, SPY looks like we are not getting that pullback. How? Then this month I eat grass already. Okay lah, I just hope SPY will pull back soon, then we will have better opportunities in most of the instruments. Without that pullback, everything I do, I'm moving my stop loss extremely fast. Okay, so is your friend that make 10% month to date, was he day trading? Yes, he's actually day trading. He likes to buy the 0 DTE option. He's my partner. Sometimes he send it to me, but then my style of day trading is that I like to convert into swing trade. So if I can't see that, then I don't take off. Also when I'm actually right now doing live streaming, so it's a little bit difficult for me to keep looking at my phone. Yeah, he does send it to me all the time. He'll tell me buy this and that. What to buy, Kimi? Today I don't think I have anything to buy. Maybe AMD. Hello, random. Today late to channel. What happened to you? Do you manage your positions? At a loss now. SQQQ. What is SQQQ? Is it leverage ETF? What is this though? Pro shares ultra short QQQ. Is it a leverage, QQQ or something? How come it's so weird? This chart doesn't look like QQQ though. Why is it so different? It's going down like crazy. Okay, when you say you are in a loss, SQQQ can sell now. Oh, it's an inverse QQQ, huh? Why is it so cute though? uh, you want to short now? I think shorting now might be a little bit late already because the overall market looks like it has some strength. Is actually going back up. So I think shorting right now, if you short here, where do you place your stop loss? You place here. If you place here, I think it's quite a safe stop loss. Maybe you might be lucky, then this can go down. But of course, putting this stop loss, the distance is quite huge though. So if you place this stop loss, I don't think your RR will be quite good based on how like this instrument usually move. Because based on what I see, this instrument likes to, just break the previous low by a little bit. So over here, like this is the previous low. So it breaks a bit, it retraces. Then same thing. Over here, this is the low over here. Then after it comes, it breaks the low a little bit, it retraces. So I think this instrument has this kind of like characteristic. So over here, I think more or less you can expect break this low a little bit, after that retrace. So your RR won't be fantastic. It's like 1:1. So for me, I won't take lah. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what is this. So I have not traded this at all. No, I'm a safe person. Is this better than QQQ or something? Okay, one more is UVXY. UVXY. Oh, this one is the VIX one. Okay, understood. VIX, VIX, you want to sell now? Is this also another inverse relationship or what? I don't understand this chart though. Okay, no problem. We look at the date. Okay, so it looks a little bit like VIX, just that. Okay, I do expect the market to seriously pull back all that. If this is like the usual VIX, I would rather you long. You maybe will get this kind of huge spike. It has been a while. We market has been quite calm after 7th of April. So I do expect the whole overall market to pull back. Then maybe you get a small spike like this. So I think buying will be better though. Maybe when this UVXY make a small new low somewhere around here, you can try to buy. I think that will be even better. Why you all trade all the inverse one? Is there any reason? Sorry, I have not traded all this before, so I have no idea like how it works. Why always Friday either? Okay, wait, I missed one of the comment already, I think. Why always Friday either go very high or low? Possibly because Friday all the institutional traders, they pangkang liao, so they're going to clear their balance sheet and stuff like that, and then they either close off all their positions without holding over the weekends, because over the weekends a lot of things can happen. So I think maybe 2 months ago you all seen right about those things about tariff. So over each weekend we always gap down. Yeah, that's the reason I think why those institutional traders, they like to try to close off their positions before to end off the whole week, to balance their portfolio, their balance sheet and everything. Okay, the comment is getting a bit long. I start to miss out some of it. Okay, random, you left with 2 positions, most ISL or close already. Okay, good, no worries. Just wait for that pullback. Without that pullback, I also don't know what to do though. You ask me to buy now, I also like a bit reluctant, That's why I left with very few positions only. Just not pre-market, I also got some positions got triggered. Yeah, I give back a little bit of profit, but still okay lah. Swoosh, inverse of QQQ, inverse QQQ, he back QQQ, go down. Okay. Bro, don't touch SQQQ. Okay, can I won't touch that. I won't touch. It's something that I have no idea about. My style of trading is that you can ask me to see this and that, but if I don't know what is it, I will not touch. Yeah, I won't, uh, you just listen or follow your own trading plans. First time on such trade, listen to friends and boom, gone case. Gong gong, inverse VIX at JAC, market goes up 70% most of the time. Yes, if you short against the market, yes, you can be at a disadvantage. Yes, market goes up around 70% of the time, correct? Just wondering for those trading for companies, why they don't want to trade for themselves at work at home? I have no idea. Maybe their bonuses are super high that kind. I do have a friend who works in DBS as a trader. He told me his basic is high, and at the same time their bonus are like super duper high that kind. It can be like 1 year of bonus, if their performance is good. So and trading companies' money and trading your own money, the feeling is different though. You trade company money, you don't care, you just spend money. Whatever fulfills the rules or their algorithm and things like that, you just pull the trigger. It's not my money. By your own money, you get a little bit emotional. Gong gong, yeah, thinking market bad then asked to buy and never go up. Can I join you? Rio Jin can. My course will be ready, I think, by end of this month. So if you like, you can drop me a PM. Yeah, you can either WhatsApp me or drop me a PM on Discord. Okay, the institutional traders, they are very, very different. They have like, I asked him before, he tell me every morning they have meetings, then everybody have their own rules on certain things. So they will come up with a conclusion like what is the direction to trade today and stuff like that. Then after they'll execute according to their system. I don't think we can host that kind of system in our own home because the server itself, I think I don't know how many computers or how many of those big servers do you need. It's a very very different thing from retail trader. But sometimes the thing he tell me like not correct. Like that time he told me that about HSI. It was when let me see. Okay, I think it was around this period for HSI. I think somewhere here. He told me his company bought a lot of China shares and things like that. Then shortly after, we have this huge dump. But of course, they are like the market makers and everything. They know how to balance their balance sheet. So I don't think they lose any money from here. Even for HSI, I bought somewhere here for long-term investment. Right now, I'm up about, I think, 25%. Also not too bad. Yeah, you trade your own money and the bank's money is totally different. Way, way different that kind. You bro, if you give me money to trade for you, I also don't care. I press everything that fulfills my rule. I don't even need to care about this and that. As long as I make money, by the end of the day I get my bonus, it's good. Sure. Okay. Hope to see you soon. Rio, Gong Gong, bro. What's your what? TRAXE. What is TRAXE? Is it a short form or something? What's that? I have no idea what is this though. Bro, can you explain a little bit for me? Oh, trade size per stock. Okay, usually I risk about 0.5% to 1% max. I don't risk more than 1% as of right now. Is it a good time to buy Tesla? Tesla, I would say wait a little bit because he has went up quite a lot though. Let me make this a little bit smaller. Yep, I would say wait a little bit. So from here, right now we are actually on the 1 hour chart, and let me delete this trend line so you can see better. So if you want, you can draw a trend line like this on the 1 hour chart. Wait for the breakout. You can actually set the alarm, set the alert, wait for the breakout, then you start buying. But I do expect Tesla to chop a little bit here, a little bit more before it will start going. Because we have quite a huge move already. You see from here, after Donald Trump and Elon Musk, their bromance make up already. They make up their bromance. Tesla went up to almost 20%. So 20%, I think, due for a little bit of pullback lah. Not expecting Tesla, to plunge all the way down. If not, it will be a joke already, Two, political figure fight like children. So I do expect this to go up from here. Okay, hopefully I never miss any comments, huh? Okay, I think I didn't miss any. That's good, that's good. Recently, I keep have like this guy called TikTok administrator. He keeps coming into a live stream. Did I say something wrong or what? That's weird though. Okay, user, our put option. Brother, calm down, please. Retrace a little bit. Give me opportunity to get into the market. They are fake ones. Like, is people created to sabo people to end their live stream? I believe in this world there's a lot of, even when I live stream, a lot of people, come here and make noise, then after that they went off. Yeah, in life you deal with people like this. What to do? Smile and move on. Agree to disagree. Random, you must be, type something wrong, right? That's why they keep banning you. Random, any trades recommendation for me today or not? I'm pretty, I have no idea what to do today. I'm lost. Buy is not good. Sell also not good. Okay, Adobe is looking fantastic lah. Why it needs to look so good when it have earnings today? Today, right? After market close. Today is Thursday, am I right? Yes, Thursday after market close. Why? Yes, just now I saw there was like 30 plus, I think. I saw 30 plus. But all of them gone already. They only, scroll through and that's it. Yeah, it's okay lah. I think after a while, you start to get more and more, as long as I keep doing this every single day. Yes, consistency is the key. Correct, guys. Hopefully I don't fall sick, okay? Hopefully I don't fall sick. Next time you're famous, must remember us there. Okay lah, I will remember all of you. Guys, I will remember. I can honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate all of you coming to live stream. For someone who just started live streaming maybe about 1 month ago or something, I think to achieve this result, have people looking at you, I think is quite good already. I don't expect, 1 month later, I get like 10,000 followers, 50,000, all that. I don't have this kind of expectation. I'm just looking for, consistency every single day. So I just show up. People who likes what I do, they will stay. Of course, I won't forget you guys. But user, you have to, Maybe change your name. There's more and more user coming into live stream though. Because I saw a lot of people who has like their username. Then after that they view my profile. Sometimes I look at it like, is this the user that always come to my live stream or not? Oh, they trade Tesla and Microsoft. Are they long or short? Oh, I didn't see the 46, but I did saw 30 plus. Yeah, so maybe TikTok, help me to recommend to more people, but nobody stay, then finish liao. Oh, they long Tesla. Okay, Tesla and Microsoft. Well, random, I think we need to make a plan, huh? I think you better don't type all that in the chat better, because who knows, people from there might come over here, then accidentally, saw what you type and things like that. I type all my comments on com. Okay. You day trade. Can. Day trade long. Or kena eaten. Today long. I'm also not too sure, bro. Tesla long. Tesla if long just now when market open, should be in a little bit of profit. Should be fine, I guess. 11 June until now, 1 day only. Cannot use computer and type comments here. Really? Yeah, I also have this issue. I think I can't really type inside my own chat though. Wait, let me try. Hi. Oh, can. There was a period of time I couldn't type anything. Okay, Jean. Today have nothing to buy. I think so for me. Maybe I have already missed it. Maybe AMD. I would love AMD for a swing trade. Possible, I might buy AMD for a swing trade. But of course, this is the risk is higher than usual, than my usual risk. It can be a little bit riskier. Because if you buy here, you have to place a stop loss. I think about 118 or 7 or so. So risking about $2.50. Still fine, still fine. Yes, I also miss Nvidia. After I exit, Nvidia is so strong today. I think there must be some catalyst or news, regarding Nvidia. Yeah, I think it should be the US and China trade talk that actually move Nvidia up. But I do have long-term investment in Nvidia. I have not taken off any profits in Nvidia, so I bought at 97.75, 97.75, so 97.75. Yeah, I think I bought maybe somewhere here lah. It's a long-term investment, so I have not taken off this, but then for trading I took off everything. Yep, I do almost everything except for scalping. I do like day trading, swing trading, position trading, and long-term investment. So this long-term investment, I can show it to you lah. I bought twice though, but I bought twice. Yep, so these are some that I bought after I started the group. You can see Nvidia 97.75. After that, I bought again 108. Yeah, Palantir I also bought at quite a good price. But I have closed off most of it already. Only left with a little bit, 40% of it. But my long-term investment, I thought of closing Intel. Intel is like a bit garbage though. It's so long already for like I think 2 months. It's not moving anywhere. Okay, I think I'm okay. Random app. Analysis on Apple. FIB 0.382, Apple 0.382, support 0.382. Yes. Okay. Random. I do think that either Apple will come to 195 around. I think 196, 195 area. Then after that, the next one is actually 185. So 185 is the 0.618 retracement, and then this 195 is just uh, this three wave correction to complete. Then from here we can fire off. So I'm thinking about this on Apple. I'm quite interested in Apple. Should I also forming a bull flag pattern, right? This is not a bull flag. There's no bull flag in Apple as of right now. If you are talking about this trend line, this is not a bull flag already. This is more like a structure than uh bull flag. Or not really, cause bottom side a bit flat. No. Bull flag is something like let me show you. Wait, I shift something wrong. Do I have this one? This is a bull flag. This one looks like bull flag, This. It's usually a smaller one. It's not so big. This one only lasted for I think 1 day. Is it? It's Wednesday. Oh, I'm on the 4 hours. So this lasted for about 3 days, 2 days, 3 days, around there. So this is more like a bull flag. Bull flag is pointing downwards. Oh, if pointing downwards, you mean the trend line pointing downwards, is it? Yes, if for bull flag, the trend line is pointing downwards. But if you are talking about a bear flag, the trend line should be pointing upwards. Analysis on Google. Hi, Google, I close off everything like pre-market. That's it for my Google. I held it for so long, throughout all the ups and downs. Google, I think you can wait for a little bit, a little bit more before that really comes. I think so. Yeah, Google for now, I can't find a good spot for entry. Yeah, I entered Google where? Let me see here. Such a long time already. Where's my Google? Today will be the last time for me to view my Google. I hold it for quite a while. Okay, I entered 157.56. 157.56. So basically here. So this is like 13th of May. I hold all the way for 1 whole month. And I closed during pre-market. Don't know whether I will regret my decision or not. Seems like the SPY is strong today. Wow, bro, die liao lah. SPY so strong. There goes my put option. Why is it not pulling back? Why the market is not pulling back? Okay lah, since like the market is a little bit strong, should I buy AMD? If I buy AMD, I think I just take a very small size. Now what time? 10:30 already. Nvidia. Wow, Nvidia super strong. Super strong. My Intel garbage. Going to close it off soon. Yes, that's the thing. That's why I keep, Sush, I also keep thinking whether, should I buy using a small risk, then I convert it into a swing trade. But I think just be patient. If this month I can't make a lot, then forget about it. I wait until end of the month and I try again. Yeah, I need that pullback. Without that pullback, quite difficult to jump into trades though. Yeah, Sush, thanks for that comment. I think I don't buy lah, huh? Since I already exited, just let it be. If I miss it, then miss it lor. What to do? Sometimes this happens. Yeah, Palantir is also pulling back. Hopefully this time around I don't miss my Palantir. This RBXL forever don't come back. Make another new all-time high again. Kanto, this is not a broker. This is actually TradingView. TradingView.com. User, RBXL come back like that only, like that you want to buy. Do you buy, user? If you buy, I will say that you bro. Yeah, bro, I also don't dare to buy. You look at this RBXL, brother. One straight line. This is like the most beautiful trade ever. How to buy? I also scared I buy, FOMO, then instantly turns into regrets. I rather give it a miss. It's okay. I will take it some other time. Maybe 1 or 2 months back. Yes, ALVV is the man. Yeah, Kento, this is TradingView. Do you use it? If you have not tried it, give it a shot. It's a very, very nice platform. I love it. Hi, what can I trade today? Are you trading anything? Kento, it's been a while. Do you trade live with us? Do you trade live with us? What do you mean by that though? I'm actually live trading over here on live streaming. Okay, Sush. Amazon, I do agree that possible for a swing trade, but I would love a little bit of more consolidation. I would, because I couldn't find the entries that I always do. Yeah, that's why I'm thinking I should wait a little bit more, Sush. Currently, I can't find a place for me to do a swing trade. Although I know, Amazon pull back a little, but it might chop here a little, and then one more leg going down. So I have to be patient on this. Okay, Ken, what do you trade? Mostly stocks, then a little bit of cryptocurrencies. But I only trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin only. Okay. Once in a while, I will do Bitcoin. But most of the time, whenever I see Bitcoin is strong, I will just buy like MSTR or coin. Gold I no longer trade anymore. But gold I know is going up. It's beautiful. Yep, gold is beautiful. But of course, I don't expect, gold to come all the way to break this all-time high here. I'm thinking that gold possible. Right now we are on the 4-hour chart, breaking above this high, maybe even this high over here. So maybe gold will come up. After that, it will have one more leg going down. Before that, real huge move going up. Oh, previously, I can't remember what was the, forex broker that I used though. What is it called? It's quite. Last time I used Lucas Copy. I heard of that broker. Lucas copy. I don't know nowadays whether is it still good or not. Yes, computer TikTok is trash. I totally agree. You know, every single day ask me to do stupid verifications. Yes, the computer TikTok is trash. Can't even send my own comments. Oh, random. I think they have this thing where I think it's a built-in or something. I think you cannot spam. If you spam, your comments might be eaten up. I think so lah. Okay, Apple. Keep a watch out, guys. Apple. I do think that Apple can come to about 196, 195 area before we get that upside. But of course, if the overall market pullback, right, just be a little bit more mindful and maybe you go to the 4-hour chart. If the overall market pullback, try to look to buy at about the 0.618 retracement of this move. So the price is about 186, 185 area. I'm also looking to buy Apple. Okay, random. Chill little bit. Okay, user, you gotta change your name to Roll the Rig. Okay, I will remember. Okay, guys, user is going to change his name to Roll the Rig. Sell put 185. Sell put 185. You can make premium or not? Sell put 185. If can, I also sell together with you. Sell put Apple 185. How does it even work though? Put. Let me find 185. Is it expensive? But how long? How long you want to buy? Solid premium for how long? 3 weeks Okay lah, here got 36 days. I click on the 36 days. How to tell how much premium I will get? But why is it like so cheap? No. This is put, right? Just now you say sell put or sell call. Sell put. Why is it so cheap? It's only $2 plus for 36 days. Huh? Did I click on the wrong one? This is put, right? Yes, mine's here put 36 day, strike 185, $2 plus. Cannot be, right? It's so cheap. And tell me my max profit 18,000 for one contract. How can that be? Underlying, what is this? I don't make a lot of money, cannot. Yeah, why two? Okay, so the $2 plus is for what? Is my premium? Yeah, I see also like $2 plus only. Like $2.30. Cause all way long I'm looking at 190. Oh, 190, not at 185. So $2 plus is the premium that I earn, is it? Sell put. Sell put. Okay. Wow, I can buy so much contract. I can buy almost 3,000 contracts. Okay, you sell one contract, you earn $230 premium. If hit one, then exercise. If not, then nothing happen. So yeah, you will be assigned 100. What stock we talking at? Apple. Switch, we are talking about Apple. We want to buy, then we want to sell put option. But cause you collect premium, your cost price is about 182.7. Oi, user, relax. I got a shock when this is like so cheap. But of course you'll be assigned a lot and you need to calculate properly lah. Although it's cheap, but then max I can buy maybe 10,000. What 10,000? 10 contracts. 100 shares is already a lot. Sell put. I prefer sell covered calls. Option is very scary. Okay. Yeah, I don't feel like holding Apple. Any recommendation for some other things? I don't have so much faith in Apple as of right now. No. I understand what you mean, Random. I understand. I totally understand what you mean. Because if you sell put, then you get assigned. You also need to factor in, your usual trading size or that. If you buy one contract, you get, assigned at 185. But if Apple dump even more, 100 shares might be huge for some people's account. Your 100 shares can be scary though. If your account is like $10,000, 100 shares, you will get slapped really, really hard. Yeah, I understand the options part lah. Just that I don't really understand about the premium, all that. But it looks like quite fun, huh? 1 month plus. Apple come here. I don't think Apple 1 month, 36 days will come here though. I don't think so. Okay, then you sell put already. Do you let it automatically expire or you manually close it yourself? User. Okay, understood. I think it won't be difficult for me lah. Just that I never go and study. I need to make the course first. Make a course, I got time. I go and study. I will study hard. Make sure I become a professional at this. If won't come, you keep the money lor. Okay, can. But if you manually close it, you will still keep the money, right? Is it? Cause I took 80% already. 3 weeks for 20% of the premium, not worth. Sush. Just now we were looking at the 36 days to expiry, about $2.30. So now I want to sell again. Sell. Hey, so you're really all going to sell the Apple put option? Yes, Cyberpunk, I sold all my Google shares. Yes, I sold everything during the pre-market sessions. Okay lah, I can buy 10 lah, no issues. Holding a little bit is fine, but not too much. Oh, right now a little bit more expensive leh, $2.35. Okay, so say 230 for 4 weeks, right? So split is like $50 plus each week. If say 1 week you can buy back for 30, mean you already earn 200, no point waiting. Okay, switch. Understood. Yeah, I understood it's like stocks like that. Just that, selling puts, I don't normally do that. I have no idea, like, collecting premium, how it works. Tan Tan, I got no trades today. I think I missed a lot of things. So sad. But no worries, these guys they are giving me signals, to sell put options. Okay lah, not bad lah. I think I can sell some puts at 185. 1 month, I don't think we'll go there though. Even if I get a sign, I'm fine because this is the 0.618 retracement of this move. So I think quite easy for me to, get out of break even. So I'm pretty much fine with that. Remember guys, 0.618 golden fib ratio. Usually you will show some signs of, rejections or something like that. Can I collect more premium or not? $2 plus like a little bit less. Is there anything more? Yeah, I also feel like not a lot. Is there something that I can make more? No? How about 15 days? 15 days is even worse. 15 days like 78 cents. Ayo, this is 大便了. 64 days. What, really like no difference that kind. Yeah, maybe because the Go Palantir Apple very low. You confirm see, you confirm shook. Okay, can. I go to Palantir. Okay, let me see Palantir. Okay, let me see what price I don't mind holding Palantir. Palantir. Brother, but this stock all time high. Okay, maybe 120. Let's see 120. Then I start with 36 days. 130. Oh, not bad $6 plus. So that means 606,000. No, not 130, 120. Yeah, 120 only $3. User, I almost see wrong again. $3. Is it worth it? The IV is like 58%. Consider a little on the high side for Palantir, is it? Pineapple more better than apple. Yes. I like strawberry. You all have any, sell put for Palantir? How about the shorter days one? 15 day. No, 15 day is even lesser though. You're on short for Palantir July 18 to strike 125 ons. Wow, July 18 you buy until so far. 125. Your premium must be quite good, right? Let me see. Palantir 18 July. I have 18 July. Okay. 36 days. 125. So you will collect $4.61. Also shit lah. Yeah, but you spend a little bit of money to, one contract 460. If you buy 10. But if you buy 10, okay, if you buy 10, you collect 4,006. But then, if you get assigned 1,000 shares. You must be able to tank that though. But even if you buy one contract, you collect 400 plus. This is like kopi money, your kopi money, Okay, can random, no problem. You doing the Excel sheet for us 你的字 Short, are you guys serious? Guys, we are not shorting the market, we are selling put options. Okay, we want to collect premium. Then after we buy back at a better price. Okay guys, I go to the toilet first, okay? I'll be back shortly. See you. Okay, guys, I'm back. I think there's some conversation. Tesla going up, good for me. Okay, fantastic. Oh, 你的字. I don't know how to read the behind Chinese character, but thanks for the follow, okay? Thank you so much. Oi, user, you changed your name already. Roderick. Tesla going up. Nice, nice. Let's do it, Tesla. So you guys going to sell what puts? Yes, I starting to understand that selling of options really from you guys explaining, you guys are very nice. You're also helping me so I can collect some premium. MA supported and breakout level support, so I entered just now. Okay, nice, nice. I do think that Tesla can go up. Where's my Tesla target? 380. I think 380 shouldn't be much of an issue. Did they mute my option recommendation? No, 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 no. Sush, I saw you type Tesla Strike 290. Expiry July 18. Yeah, I saw that. Oh, the premium high, huh? Okay, Tesla is expensive. Tesla is expensive. The 100 shares can hit you quite hard. $290. $290, okay. Actually, wait, I see. Where's the Tesla high? You go to 1 hour first. Or too many lines. Put this here. Got 295 or not? At 295, the premium is even better though. Bro, why not you make a guess? If you make it, you guess correctly, I add you into my group, free for maybe 3 months or something. Make a guess. You only have one try. Oh, brother, I look like 23, man. Okay, but thank you. 21. Wow, I love you. You cannot guess anymore already. You need to let, the 你的字 something something to guess. Yeah, I think Sush, I'm actually quite comfortable with that. I think I like the idea. I think I will give it a shot. I buy a little bit. No, sell a little bit, sell a little bit. Not buy, right? Sell. I want a cow one try can. 看你好不 wrong wrong wrong. Hey, random, you screenshot my IC number. Somewhere around 27. You guys are all wrong. Brothers, see what I told you? Everyone every time doubt me, right? Because I look young. Whenever I do my business and everything, the first thing the bosses always ask me, boy, how are you? You look very young. I'm 34, guys. 34. I have been trading for 11 years already. Okay, 11. You guys all guessed wrong. No more joining of the free group. Switch, you think 295, 290 okay? If okay, I can sell the put though. I think it's pretty good. I don't think we'll get a sign. No, random, you already know my age now, so you need to have another game. Yes, brother, I'm serious. I'm 34. I'm really 34, okay? I have multiple business, I do live streaming in trading. I'm going to run my own trading course and everything. Brother, if I 21, 23, you, how can I be here? 21, 23. Oh, you're doing something for me. Okay, can. Can let me think of some games. Okay, next time we can play. Maybe we can use all that game. I'm going to add people into the group or something. I don't know. I think okay. Switch for me. Actually, 295. I'm fine lah. The 36 days or what. I'm fine. It looks good though. You want now? Now, what kind of game can we play? Let me think. Maybe y'all can guess something about me, huh? Yeah, lah, a lot of people already here. You guys already know my age is 34. Some of you even screenshot my IC number when I show you my paycheck, huh? Bad boys. I can't think of any game though. Maybe, after today or something, I can go and plan something out. See me paycheck. Oh, okay. Because I run a few business. I also do real estate part time. Then after that time, I show them my part time income from real estate. Everybody was shocked that kind. In the six figures lah, low six figures. Yeah, because I have been doing real estate also for quite long already. Then although right now I am doing part time, so whenever I have clients or something, then I will just take up the case. Then your Apple stop loss liao. What you do to Apple though? You short Apple ah? Yeah, I can't remember last year how much I made in real estate. I think 100 over 1,000, 160 plus is it, I think. Yeah, so that's like one of my side income as well. I tell you guys, TikTok, TikTok people, some people really, really toxic that kind. I receive some hits comments, hit chats, they DM me directly, crazy, seriously crazy that kind. Like yesterday, after I posted that video that I made together with my friend, one of them they they asked me, brother, why you never wear any watch? I was like, huh? You must wear watch every single day, man. Yeah, but I was quite shocked though. Then for me, because it's for my the other business, I told my partner I don't want to show my face. I want to be, the behind person settling all the back end stuff. So when they took the video and everything, they tried not to take my face, lah. Then after that, got one guy, I think, he came to my profile, then he asked me, bro, you never wear watch, never wear good watch, something like that. Yeah, I don't take it to heart lah. I know all this will come someday. 100% will come. Okay. This APP looks like forming a VCP. What is a VCP? VCP. What is VCP though? Let me search VCP trading. Volatility contraction pattern. How it looks like. Oh, I have never heard of this. VCP. Maybe we can take a look at some picture so I can understand quickly. Oh, something like that for a breakout. Okay. Looks like a triangle or something like that. Where do you see that though? Daily? Weekly? Nope, I don't see that. Oh, I think the video expired already, Sush. Expired already. Then I just replied the guy, yes, I'm very poor. Oh, daily, daily VCP. I'm not too sure though because I take reference to this. If you are looking at this, how do you see the VCP? Do you draw something like that? Here to here, then after maybe something like here to here. Is it? Is it this? So you are looking at that VCP. What's your favorite indicator? Small range nia. Small range VCP. I don't seem to be able to find this though. Let me take a look, Okay, maybe something like that. Like this? Cannot be But I do, can see something you connect like this. Like this? Yeah, 你的字 I don't know what you're looking at, but most importantly is that you know your own strategy. That will be more than good enough. But of course, sometimes you need help or you want to know about a certain direction about certain stocks. You can come here and ask. No issues. Okay, prickles. My favorite indicator. I don't have a favorite indicator though. For me, they are all just tools. So what I meant is that you are the driver of the vehicle. You are the driver of the car. Whatever that's on the charts, the indicators and everything, they are like your brakes, your handbrakes, your steering wheels and everything. So you are the one who are using them. So I don't have any favors. Just at different period of the market, like different situation, whether we are in a bear market, bull market, consolidation or anything, um, I will use different indicators at different times. So I don't have like one indicator for every single thing. Okay. Oh, Sush. What Sush? Random. You are doing the whale indicate strategy for me, is it? Assuming so sweet. 1 month go down, 1 month go up. Roll the rig. I like your name. Roll the rig. Random can share or not? Except I think random will share to you. That shouldn't be an issue. Random is a nice guy. You want to add me on Discord? Uh, I think can, but roll the rig. You want to, drop me a WhatsApp text or anything. Then after that, I can, I can, I can send you my Discord. I think my profile or something. Then you can add me. Shouldn't be an issue. But of course, guys, if someday you join me, come into Discord, anyone who texts you on Discord, right, that looks like my profile, be careful because my group members they tell me almost every other day there are people who are creating exactly the profile that's same as mine, and then they have been chatting with them. And some of them almost got scammed until they WhatsApp me personally because they find it a bit weird where I start to ask them, whether you could, I like something they ask like, um, I have a plan, to bring them together, then ask them whether they have 100,000 or not, then invest into me. Then after that, they will help, like I will help them to grow their account. So some of my friends or those people inside the group thought it was me. So try to be careful on that part, especially after you join. Just make sure that I will not text you personally on Discord, using Discord lah. I will not text you personally. So anything can just WhatsApp me. Hey, can, random. I know you put in the hard work. Thank you. No worries. At least can speed up my learning process. Hey, so Sush, have you bought the Tesla sell put already or not? I bought already though. But the Tesla one, seriously, what? The premium is high. Yes, needed a lot of scammers on Discord. Even mine is a paying group, they still paid for my group and come in and go and copy everything and then they cancel it. A crazy bunch of people. Yeah, random, I sold already. Really hiong meh? I think okay lah. I think okay. Because I sold at the strike is 295. Then after that, the contract give me about $10 plus for 36 days. I think should be okay lah. Even I get a sign, I'm fine with the risk. Oh, Tesla too volatile for you already. Okay, understood. Yeah, I understand it's expensive lah. I also never buy a lot. I buy 5 contracts only. Yes, random is our options specialist. Okay, I calculated my risk. Okay, guys, I calculated my risk. So you see, strike 295 is seriously this Tesla. After I get a sign or anything, it dumps to about 273 area. I can get out. Maybe I lose a small percentage of my account, so still fine. Yes, yes, no worries, guys. Someday you'll get there. Okay, don't think about the figures. Trust me. Initially, when I started, my account was so small. Then after that, as years goes by, I keep okay because me personally, I have a lot of side incomes, so I don't need the income from trading. Then every single year, I just whatever I generated for the whole year, it just keep compounding and compounding years after years until it becomes a substantial amount. I think the moment you hit your first 100,000 to 300,000, you will see a huge change in your account year after year. Yeah, so try to target that first 100,000 first. But you can reverse calculate, man, cannot, right? Okay, I did manage my risk, so I'm fine with this. I think not too bad lah, not too bad lah. hopefully the market don't suddenly dump or something. Then if dump, I think I will get assigned. Hey, if I get assigned, do I still get the premium? I still get, right? Uh yes, you can reverse a bit lah, but I don't think will be that accurate, so it's still okay. 275. Okay, okay, I understand. Yes, I understand. If 275, I thought should be 285. It should be about 285, right? Is it? Because the cost of the premium is about $10, slightly more than $10. My strike is 295. I bought 295. US debt auction, I think. Oh, the rolling of the what, huh? Let me see. Is it the news or what? Debt auction. Uh, familiar tab debt option. Let me see. Oh, oh, I cannot read this. No issues. Cannot read, no problem. We use perplexity, okay? Perplexity AI. Read. Is sell put option. I want to make premium. Ayo. Wow, random can reverse calculate. So smart are you? Can. You make a more exact, guess. Maybe I give you free 1 month. Okay, guys, we can read about this news, okay? Because I don't have subscription to Bloomberg, but I have subscription to Perplexity, so they read everything for me already. So it's all here. I zoom in for you guys to read. What is the error margin? 100,000 lah. If within 100,000 range, 100,000 is quite a huge buffer. I'm giving you chance already. Ah, yes, yes, correct. I do remember June is the date that, they are going to do this debt auction thing. It's regarding the interest, right? So yeah, I don't mind getting assigned for Tesla. Five contract the most. I just close with a little bit of loss. If I don't like how Tesla turn out, I just close it off. Yeah, because I have a plan for Tesla. If Tesla comes to about 295, I get assigned. The most it drops until 273, I get the fuck out of this trade already. So I'm okay. Okay, roll the rig, going to shower. I know. See you. Actually, today I'm quite tired. Today I had a very, very long day. A lot of meetings and everything. Came back and do the course. Okay lah, random. I add you into the group. I add you into the group. Okay, free 1 month for you. 你的字 I seriously I can't read Chinese character though, and I cannot select your word to translate. Call me Will. It's okay. Oh, okay. Your name is Will. Okay, nice, nice. What is the business you work on? I have a lot. I have a lot like real estate, corporate secretary. I still have some other, businesses and all mostly all like silent investor. But I work on the back end stuff. Random is okay lah. I think someday I will also post or something, when the groups gets a little bit larger. I think I don't mind posting lah. No, 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 not family business. No family business, but majority is all friends business. I work together with my circles of friends. Will. Bond sell off. Oh, maybe I can paste. Can I paste it inside or not? If I can paste it inside, it will be good though. I can paste it for you guys. Then you all can read as well. Let me see. Can I paste? Oh, can ah. Oh, cannot. Too long already. Cannot paste. Yeah, I think this is the key lah. I paste this inside, then we can go back. Oh no, cannot paste. Only can type 150 character. Garbage TikTok. KK. Will. Okay. Just now Will says that there's this debt auction news. So it's regarding this. So random, if you want, you can read about this. This is about the US debt deficit. Oh, Richard, is there 6 trillion coming in? I don't know though. I have not read about that news. Can see how you draw your Adobe chart. Can. Here you go. Maybe I can zoom out. Yep, something like that. We have Elon Musk. Elon Musk join the. Too long for a booth like this part lah. This part I wouldn't say is too long as of right now. It's still okay, still okay. It's a little bit long, but still okay. It's not like a structure over here. A structure is like this. This one looks like a structure. This one still looks a little bit like a booth, like although it's a little bit long. Confirm high liao that day. Which day? The day he shake Donald Trump's hand? Say, I'm sorry. Ah, yes, yes. They are Elon Musk and that Donald Trump. You know, they write nasty comment about each other, then they delete away and everything. Yep, I know that. Yeah. Children fighting with one another. They tell you, I don't friend you liao. Then after that, no choice, they make up again. All these political figures, doing all the funny thing. How's my China stocks? Are they doing well? Hopefully, let's see. Oh no, it's not good. Maybe I'm going to take a small gain on Baba only. JD also the same thing lah. Yes, I also kind of think that might be an insider thing, you know, because they fight, then after that they make up so fast, then just plunge the stock price down, Tesla stock price down, then after that, you know, Donald Trump asked all his friends go and buy again, like that time when he just elected as a president. He said, "This make how much? That make how much in one day?" Might be, we don't know. You know, maybe this time around he's smart already. He don't want to comment about anything. Wow, Will, have you traded in the market for a long time? Because you seems quite experienced. Hey, oh, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, ask you guys, does your location have a lot of like mosquito today? Because today in Jurong, right, everywhere I go is mosquito though. I think Singapore, released the male mosquito to combat dengue fever or something. Oh, you're not from Singapore. Where are you from? I thought this live stream usually is people who from Singapore watch though. Oh, Malaysia, nice, nice. By any chance, do I know you? I used to have a very good trading partner from Malaysia though. Okay, can. Okay, Will, how are you? Because you say that I look very young. So right now, uh, oh, you're 30. Okay, okay, around my age. Good, good. Most of the people that are on the live stream, they are around the, late 20s to about, I think, early 30s. I think I might be the oldest here already. So regret I didn't enter the market on end of April after that. After that, quite hard to trade. Um, After end of April is fine, right? Actually, why is it hard to trade? I think end of April. Let me see. Oh, end of April is good, friend. There's so much opportunity though. I got in and out multiple times. Yeah, it's good. It's good. The only difficult part that I started to face is around here. I think around 20th of May. From there, wow, I couldn't trade, very very well, and all the positions I take are usually the day trading size. And especially right now, I'm still expecting that larger pullback for SPY, but it doesn't seem like it will be giving to us though. Then maybe SPY can continue up again. Maybe the next level 610 already. I need a larger pullback. From there it will be easier for me to start to find entries and do swing longs, something like that. But right now, all the trades are like day trades. Although my day trades I convert them into a swing trade, but a lot of them they keep coming back and take me out for break even. Even Baba, I can show you Baba. Hi, this Baba a little bit wasted though. My RR was so high, and right now maybe I need to take a break even already. I entered Baba here, somewhere around here. You see, right now it went one big round, came back, almost taking me out for break even. Same goes for my JD. I think I also took a break even. What was the stock? Oh, DL as well. DL not really break even, but quite wasted lah. Waste away the profit. The entry was so nice though. The entry is somewhere here. I took some partial profit before CPI, so it was here. I took some partial profit, 50% off. I let the other 50% run, and I think somewhere in the middle of here, I got out of everything just now pre-market. Yeah, DAL is also another wasted position. Yes, correct. It's a lower high for Baba. I do agree on that. Why I bought the China stocks is because I do expect Baba to have a huge rally going up to breaking this. That's why I bought Baba. I have already bought Baba for I think quite a 2 rounds already if I'm not wrong. They're somewhere here. and this move. This was the best really, this one. This was the best. Start of the year, I traded Baba for this type of move. Yeah, I even bought like 2800 as well, so I can show it to you. Um, okay, this is 2800, right? So we are on the daily chart. Then, where is it? My long-term investment. Yep, so over here you can see I bought 2800 at $19.44. Another one $20.10. So it's like, wait, how do I move it away? So $19 plus somewhere here, uh, somewhere here, and one more is about $20, so around here lah. So I bought 2 positions for the Hong Kong market. So this is like the tracker funds of HSI. So I bought this thing, came all the way down, and after right now I'm still in it. Quite a nice profit lah. So from the highest position until now, about 22% for long-term investment lah. So not bad, not bad. For a few months only, like January, end of January until now. That's why I want to continue to buy all the China stocks, because I'm actually looking for that huge move. Yeah, not bad. It's really, really not bad. Start of the year, I do know that quite a number of guys over here, they are negative for that, but I was positive was because of all the China stocks. That time I was quite focused on it, because if I'm not wrong, if I remember correctly, doing this move in January, right, why it actually rallied so much was because China, they announced QE, quantitative easing. That's when if you I guess QE is like the last resort to stimulate the economy. So I went to focus on all those China stocks. Yeah, so whenever you see QE, that's like more or less the end of the down move already. More likely we will start to head up from there. How about Hong Kong? Actually, I don't trade Hong Kong stocks though. The reason why I buy 2800 is because for long-term investment. It's something like VOO. PopMart ran crazy. Wow, serious. Previously, I think it was Thailand though. There was a period of time PopMart in Thailand went super crazy. Then Singapore, shortly after that, I think Singapore. PopMart. Okay, let me see. PopMart. Okay, I don't think it's this, right? Do you have the ticker symbol for PopMart? Do you know the ticker symbol for TradingView? Because I don't think it's this. Yep, definitely not this. Wait, let me see. PopMart, ticker, TradingView. Might be this. Oh, 9992. 9992. Wow, nice. The stock is Fuyo. Wow, previously this low is like almost $10. This is like how 2,600% returns, from the low. Yeah, 2,600%. Oh, I didn't know PopMart is listed. Oh, crazy. Well, if you bought at the low, you are what already, my friend? Seriously, what liao? I also collect Labubu. Do you all collect Labubu? But when I started collecting it, I think it was too late already. The hype is more or less over. It can be purchased anywhere. I collect it for my daughter, not for myself. Sush, do you actually buy the Tesla option or not? Or you skip it? The sell put option. Did anyone buy? Or I'm the only one who buy? Don't scare me though, it's my first time. You bought the stock, am I right? No, I'm serious, random. Usually those selling of options, I follow my friends' signals. I don't buy it myself. I don't sell it myself. Yeah, don't. I know, fake lah, brother. I'm genuine, okay? I'm scared though. Just now when I press the sell button, it actually prompt me, some like ask me to be careful about something like I never really read about it. To us is a sign. Even one contract is painful. You get okay, can you all never buy, no problem. Okay, if I need uh if I need any help, then maybe random I will ask you what should I do. Okay, so how do I make money from the sell put? Because I look at here like I need to get closer to expiry, right? Then I will make more and more money. Am I right? Yeah, because I'm not good with the selling of options, so I have to ask. If the market go up, yes. As this pass, if remains stagnant or if Tesla price go up, your percentage of the premium collected will be more. Okay, I see how it works already. Like that I should have wait for a little bit. I'm expecting, one more leg for Tesla to come down. When I see this leg, then I start to, sell put. Then maybe I will make more. So got more room to go up. 370, I will be super hot. Am I right? Within 1 week, okay? $370 within 1 week. Oh, this one quite far. But as it is for now, free 1K for 36 days. Okay. Hopefully lah, maybe he got more sponsor or something. Free 1K for 36 days. Okay. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow I might have a little bit of time. Maybe I will go and read a little bit about the selling of put options. Okay, so that means I have to, price have to go up, then I will make money. If not, need to stagnant. Okay, Momo have this thing called, I think, analysis. Let me see how it works. Okay, understood. But what if, between the 36 days, uh, like for example, between these 36 days, right, it went under 285. After that, it came back up again. What will happen? Oh, I also like Affirm though. I like Affirm, but I'm not in any trades for Affirm as of right now. Oh, if Tesla price goes up, you make additional money on top of the 1K premium already in bank. Oh, okay, okay. Then that's good lah. I don't think I will get a sign lah. Yes, sell puts. Wow, bro, I don't look at nuclear sector. Do you have any recommendation? I always usually trade the, tech stocks or something like that. If you sold on IBKR, nothing will happen if price goes below 295 before 36 days. Okay, SMR. Sush also good with selling of options. What interests you guys to to learn shorting of options? Wow, bro, this stock looks so superpower. SMR. Wow, bro, this stock looks good though, even on the technical aspect. Yeah, maybe something I can add into my watch list. Let me add this into my watch list. Something for me to to keep a lookout. You guys always recommend me very nice stocks. Oh, your day trade for Tesla, no news. Okay, understood, brother. Yes, I do know that options. You can 2x, 3x your ROI easily. But of course, it can also be risky because of time decay and everything. Okay, Sush, is there like any broker where you will get assigned before the expiration? I don't think so, right? Because US options they only assign after it expires. Unless you are talking about the Europe options, theirs I think is a little bit different. I think theirs you cannot close before the expiry date, if I'm not wrong. OT, OT. Okay, good, good, good. Good that you are making money in random. Tesla looks good lah. But I don't know whether the one leg, will come or not. But it looks like it's going to go already. It's going already lah. Most likely, I don't think we will see that, one leg coming down. I don't think so. I think likely here will continue the trend. Yeah, Sush, I don't think if you trade US options, right, you won't get a sign until the very, very last day. Unless you trade the, if I'm not wrong, it's the Europe options. Their style is a little bit different. From what I read, is better not to trade their options. It's much more riskier than the US one. How much? Wait, well, I never sell put before. I'm also like very little, brother. I only got $65. Why so little? Buy myself, a dinner. Oh, not bad. It's going up a little bit. Right now, $105. Goes down again. You only play on IBK. Can, no risk. %3.8%. Where you see the percentage? No, mine like. Okay, Mumu. One thing is that you need to keep refreshing the tab, and then after that they will show you the exact figure. You're not very little, only 0.23%. Typically, people close their options when they reach 75 to 1000%. 100%. Okay, I will keep that in mind. If I see, 75, 100%, I will close. I like Tesla. This guy, Of course, there are options that can go, 1000%. Okay, 60-80 for random, 75 to 100% for sush. Three months ago, you put for Tesla. Oh, nice. This drop. Yeah, I think I also shorted Tesla during this period, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, if not, I wouldn't have all these lines over here. I don't remember what was it that caused this sell-off in Tesla. Hey, all of you using the same news feed, is it? How come you are all, typing at the same time? I like Tesla. I like other EV companies too. Oh, market crash? Is it market crash during that time? Oh, yes. It started already. Correct. Wait, let me Yes, during that time start already. Correct, correct. The market tanked down during that time. I got one more new fans. Will be my next fans. Like really just yes, you guys, everyone here, you all are very very nice people. Seriously, I I think I'm lucky, friend. Really, sometimes I see some live streamer, nobody talk to them though. Like so sad that kind. Initially, when I started, I think I was quite lucky. The third day, fourth day onwards, people started to talk. Then slowly, slowly, I get to know you guys. You all are here like every day. Without you, without all of you, live streaming wouldn't be fun. Well, this Microsoft forever doesn't come down. Oh, you all understand. Nice. Trader's life is really, really boring. You do everything by yourself. Okay, guys, any, recommendation for Palantir sell put? I can risk a little bit. Oh, hey, bro, I tell you, next time you can't read any news article, right? You just do this, okay? You copy the link. After that, you just read the article for me. Then the whole thing will come out already. I always type this, read the article for me. You just paste the link inside. Yeah, usually it works. Usually, most of the time it works. Palantir is... Yeah, Palantir I don't mind holding a little. Okay, Random, can I ask you, this sell put strategy, right? Is it better when market? Okay, I think this sell put strategy is like it will be better when the market starts to correct. Am I right? So that will your premium be higher that way when the market starts to correct? Or it will be better if when the market is trending? Because if trending, I don't think you will be able to make additional premium, is it? But if market, starts to pull back like this, then after that you can sell a lower strike. Then when this starts to go up, but you didn't get a sign, should do it on weekdays. Okay, okay. I think I know what to do for this sell put already. I think I know what to do. Because you guys tell me that if Tesla move away from my strike price or something, keeps going up, I will make more money. So I do understand that if you sell puts on weekdays, definitely it will be much better. Oh, you want it to come closer to 275, you earn more premium. Okay, okay. Okay, guys, thank you so much for the follow. Reason being is that the possibility of hitting 275 is higher. So of course you earn more. Okay, random, I think I a little bit don't understand about this part. Because right now Tesla is 329, right? So if Tesla comes all the way near to maybe 295 or something nearer to my uh my strike, I will be earning more premium, is it? Do you mean by that? Ah, can. But if Tesla fire off leh, if Tesla, they fire off, I will also make, right, but maybe lesser on the premium, is it? Because I was using the Momo analysis thing, I keep looking at it like I'm quite confused. You already holding your sell put? Yes, 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 I'm holding already 36 days. Hey, no worries, no worries. Randa, I know you will try to help. Okay, it's before selling put. Okay, I understand this point. Okay, Roderick. Bro, your username, I like it a lot. But now once you have sold your put, if Tesla continue dropping to 295, your put will be in negative. Okay. Okay, Roderick. I don't know, but it sounds like, I don't know how to tell you, but it's like, uh, your name is something like those nigger with a lot of gold chains, something like that. Roderick. Okay, if let's say price is 300, now you sell put close to 300, the premium is way more than you sell further. Wait, I take a look. If higher possibility equals to more premium. Can. Okay, I understood. Liao. Okay, nice. That's why don't talk to your mom. Don't tell your mom. Not don't talk to your mom. Like strike price close to current price. Okay, can. Yes, I know. They will look at the gigs and then they will pick the options. Yes. Yeah, I also not at that level, to look at all that. And he quite bullish on Palantir. Okay, understood, understood. Okay, the part about closer, to my strike price, I understand already. But what if, Tesla keep going up? Do I still have the premium or I don't have already by expiry? But I do make additional money uh, when it goes up, right? Is it? Oh, it's always mine as long as I don't close. Understood. Ah, okay, okay. Okay, understood on this. Thank you guys. You make it very easy to understand. Huh? Flag for each bit. You collect the insurance premium. Okay, but if before expiry I close, what will happen? Yes, I remember you said you sell cover call, to get back your margin or something like that, so you don't get liquidated. Depending. Okay. Divish, sell or buy? You mean Tesla, is it? Ah, okay. Random. Thank you. I think I understand already. More or less, I think I get it. Because I was looking at the bar, then there's like this curve over there. So I tried scrolling like left and right. Sometimes it's positive, it's negative, something like that. So as long as uh okay, wait, let me see again. Ah, okay, okay. I think I understand already. As long as before expiry it didn't come close to 295, I will receive the full premium. Something like that, is it? Okay. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. I understood now. Can. Interesting, interesting. Okay, thank you so much, Random. Thank you so much, Sush. Before expiry, I want to close also no problem. Can. So if I close before expiry, I will also get the premium? Yes, user, listen to them. I think this is, I'm getting the hang of it now. User every day come here say, I'm here to steal new knowledge, free knowledge. Yeah, because buying of options and selling is very, very different. Buying, I can close anytime I want. Of course not. You think you will receive premium? Yes, I think I will receive the premium because I will get assigned, right? Hey guys, you're type like that, you're tired or not? If you're tired, it's okay though. Yes, only you wait till expiry date. Okay, okay. Hey, can, no worries. I understand, you guys are putting in the effort to help. Really, thank you so much. Hey, it's okay, it's okay. Because I'm like, I have like zero knowledge. I never do my own homework and then I come and ask you guys something. You're helping me is really very good. I should have done a little bit of homework, to ask you better questions than this. Yeah, but so no matter how, thanks for helping, man. Well played, kena spike. What's your Baba TP? Okay, Baba, I have a very high TP, but I'm almost at break even already, so I'm not too sure whether it will go there or not. Baba, I'm actually looking, to break the previous high here, so at least about maybe near to 150, 148, 150 around there. Tesla. Can. Swoosh, go and do your things. No issues. But really, thank you, Random. Thank you, Sush. You all helped me a lot on this. More or less, I have a little bit of understanding. Then from there, I think I go and watch some videos or read a little. Should be able to clear all my doubts. Guys, thanks for the follow as well. If you got time, go read on rolling. Rolling ah. Okay, can. I will do that. Video better. Okay, can. You guys did recommend me some videos back then. There's one channel called something about lip one, Yeah, I will go and watch all that. I save it somewhere. Let me see. Oh, call to lip. Call to lip, and there's one more. Clear value text. Okay, nice. Thank you, guys. That one good. I was watching that the first night. Okay. Call to lip. Okay, I will start with call to lip first. Yes, Randall, if I become good at this, I start to identify the patterns or something, we might scale to another level. Yeah, I know lips are expensive. I think you should only buy lips, if there's a major pullback in the market like the March, April that time, maybe you can buy. If not, maybe you enter a recession or something, possible as well. What's your JD TP? JD is also the same thing, but I think JD I have not haven't touched my break even. Okay, JD, my very first target is somewhere around like 3650 around there, or 3670 somewhere there, around this trend line resistance. Then the next one, if possible, I would also like JD to break this previous high here. Google, let's see. Google actually did lah. Actually did. Just that this pullback was quite deep. This pullback. But they say there's a lot of AI competition coming to Google and things like that. But I still think Google will still be here lah. Because Google, no matter how, is still a search engine. And like ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, all that, they although can help you to search information faster and stuff like that, but I don't think they will overtake Google anytime soon. No, Google still got their drive business. Won't say current 180 level when 150 level. No. Google, right, has been going up all along. You can see over here, yes, go up, go down, go up, go down, go up. Just that this is a, bigger pullback from this area. Then this is the larger pullback before, maybe another upside. It's quite possible. Okay, you know why people like to ask AI or not? Uh, the search is very, very fast. Have you all tried, using ChatGPT or Perplexity, DeepSeek, all that? The search is so fast, that kind. Yeah, you don't have to, go through one by one, go into like Reddit, then read one post by one post. Okay, but there's some downside, especially I think when you try to solve certain issue. Sometimes I think videos and Reddit still better. Yes, random. That big pullback might be a good one because okay, here is something that is actually quite interesting on Google. I kind of think that this whole move is something called a expanding flat. In alert wave term, this is called expanding flat, and from here the rally can start. But expanding flat is something that's very, very difficult to identify because how wave structure can develop and everything, this might not become an expanding flat as well. So we might be wrong, but instead, here might be the three-wave correction that starts. Yeah, so I'm not too sure which is which. The only time when this is actually a valid expanding flat is when Google goes all the way to break the all-time high here. Then you will finally have confirmation that, oh, this is expanding flat. Something like that. And you no need to go and click the link and screen. Yes. Correct. I use Perplexity all the time. I think the information is a little bit more accurate than ChatGPT. But ChatGPT, when you try to have a conversation with it, I think it's much better than Perplexity. Perplexity is a bit like stupid that kind. Yes, by then will be a little bit too late to enter already because there are many, different types of corrective structures in alert wave, but you don't have to use every single one of them because you only need to know a few, and if that few will always repeat itself, and using that few you will be more than good enough. What, random, you sleep so late you still can wake up? Random, next time, go and sleep earlier. Then you have energy to chong, I know you are very supportive. I really appreciate it. Yeah, but you need to take care of yourself as well. Soon, okay? We will make you to become a full-time trader. Yeah, that's why and it's okay lah. Random, you go and sleep first. Tomorrow then we talk more. Yes, roll the rig. There was some talk that Google, they try to monopolize or something like that, but the news like disappear already, isn't it? got leftover work, not daily wake up early. Okay, okay, I understand, Random. Okay, lah, Random, you go and no, go and rest. Then after that, tomorrow you got more energy to chung for your work. I also understand, coming here a few hours a day is also tiring for you guys though. It's not even, it's not that I'm the only one that's tired. You guys are also tired. Okay, guys, let me get some water. Then we live stream to maybe, you know, 12:45 or something. Then after that, we end it off. Okay, 1 minute. No lah, we come in here for a skill plus entertainment. Good, good. I hope you guys, enjoy. Someday when you're ready, you can join me as a co-host. We can talk. I think Random went off already. I think he should have went to bed. You think tomorrow will be another boring day? I think so though, because I expect the larger pullback from Spy, but Spy is not pulling back. That's the thing. When it's not pulling back, I don't have opportunity to buy. Then I can only hold on to whatever I have. But the only one you can keep a lookout, I think tomorrow is maybe Tesla. You see, Tesla shows a bit of rejection. Maybe we really will get one more leg here. Then after it will start the upside. Yeah, so Tesla, something for you to keep a lookout. Other than that, Apple, I don't think is ready as of this current moment. But of course, I won't chase because there's also structures where Apple can definitely start the rally here. It don't have to break the low here. Yep, then if really seriously we get the rally from here, I think we'll let it go a bit. It will start to pull back. When the pullback right is something similar like this over here. Then after you try to get into Apple, then ride the wave up. Something a bit similar to this or either this. So you definitely get some sort of pullback first, then you get a confirmation, then you start buying. So I'm actually looking out for like this type of structure in Apple for me to look for buy if the rally really starts from here. Then other than that, I think the Magnificent 7 I left with Amazon. Maybe possible Meta, possible also. But I need that pullback just a little bit more. I would definitely like to see Meta come here a bit more, maybe one more leg down, then I will start buying. But as of right now, I seriously don't have much. But just now I did see one, but I was hesitating like, whether should I buy or not? Is this PANW? Just now there was a breakout over here. I think I closed my Manek. Yep, there was like a breakout over here, and there's a confirmation already. Buying right now is actually okay, but the stop loss might be a bit wide. The stop loss can put at let me see, maybe about 194.6 around there, but it's a little bit wide lah. I was hesitating like whether should I buy or not. It does look like it has a little bit more room, to move up. Even when I go to, let's say, the weekly, yep, definitely have room to move up. Looks like this move will actually break the all-time high here. Yeah, if you still have a little bit of time, you can see whether this PANW will come back a little. Then after you can try to buy here. Then just place a stop at about I think 194.6 area should be okay. What do I think about Sophia? Let me see. Sophie is trending up a lot, right? Why after I come back my computer becomes so laggy? Let me do a bit of refresh. Why so laggy now? Sophie. Okay, Sophie, I have a target at about $16.45. So if you have positions in Sophie, can try to target $16.45. But if you ask me whether I want to buy now, I will not buy lah. Sophie has went up too much already. So for me to buy, I will need that pullback. No pullback, no buy. Okay, let me scan through and see whether we can get any opportunities or not. Maybe for tomorrow. Oh, what happened to CCL? Okay, CCL, I have nothing. Maybe Affirm? Wait for a little bit more, consolidation, give you something like a bull flag. Maybe Affirm can buy as well. One more nice one, CVNA. But CVNA, I don't think it will be ready soon. But this is a nice one. As long as this keeps going sideways, something like this part. Let me show you. You can keep it on your watch list. Something like this part. If we have something like that, CVNA might have more upside. Lulu. Is Lulu still very popular now? Oh, oh okay. Tank because of earnings. Let me see. Okay, Lulu, I think will be a little bit more difficult if you try to do long positions. The reason is because the corrective structures in this area is a little bit more complex. I do expect Lulu to come and break this low at about 227 area. I think Lulu will break this low. After that, and of course, if you are just doing a day trading or something, uh, you have to be a little bit more careful lah, because usually after even they beat earnings or miss earnings and you have this kind of huge dump, right, and it doesn't recovers right away on that day itself. Lulu can do these things that which I see in a lot of charts, very very common. Sooner or later you will be able to draw like a channel like that. Lulu will do this up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down for quite a while. So I think Lulu, you can give it a miss, will be better. I can't remember what kind of charts did I see this, but if someday I find one and you happen to to be on my live stream, I can show it to you. No worries, brother. Yeah, I like those that even it dumps after earnings. They need to recover on that day itself. If it don't recover, it's going to be quite difficult. I can't remember which chart I saw that though. It happens all the time to quite a number of charts. Okay, maybe something like, okay, I show you, bro, if you are still here, PayPal is one of them. Okay, although right now we are on the 4 hours chart, right? You can see over here, although this is also doing the down period of the whole market, but it's something like that. You see, after earnings, PayPal dump, after it goes up, then from here you can draw something like a channel like that. Then you keep doing this, up, down, up, down, up, then after down, up, down, something like that. This type of feel. So just be a little bit more mindful on Lulu. Because there will be stocks that are good, after earnings it dumps and then it recovers, right? Okay, this is another example for PayPal. You can see a different over here. This also the same thing, earnings dump. But what happens? It recovers right away on that day. Then after that, it starts to consolidate and rally up. So it's a different thing. Yeah, and I think the hype for Lulu might be gone already. I know for a period of time, Lulu was super popular. Yeah, so sometimes, when you have time, you can go and scan through all these charts. You'll start to notice all these patterns. That's why normally for myself, when there's earnings, I won't speculate. Like Adobe, although I like it so much, I like the structure so much, man. It's quite unfortunate lah. We got earnings today after market close. If not, Adobe will be one that I will definitely buy. But we have earnings after market close. Yep, today after market close. So during earnings, tomorrow you can take a look at Adobe. Either it'll fly up or you'll fly down. It's a 50-50 thing. Yes. Roderick. I like your name, brother. Yeah, earnings is risky. Try not to speculate unless, okay, at times you will see me speculating earnings. Actually, Adobe, right, is one that I will speculate But I don't feel very, very confident in the overall market. That's why I'm not speculating Adobe. But at times when if someday you join my group, you'll see that I will speculate. But once in a while, that kind. And usually I use options to speculate. But the earnings is not a lot, like, because right, before earnings, the IV that definitely spike like crazy. Sometimes by the time market open, this spike go up. By the time market open, it really starts to retrace. Then you don't make a lot of money as well. So it's definitely a 50-50 thing. I did a very nice, I think, speculation on Nvidia. One of the earnings, a recent earnings on Nvidia. Let me see, where was it? Uh, is it Nvidia? I think it's Nvidia though. I think should be this one. Is it? Let me go down to the 1 hour. Oh yes, is this? It's definitely this. Uh, Yes, this is the one. I remember it was very nice. It's not actually speculative, but I've forgotten, there was earnings on Nvidia, so I just hold the position. The next day I saw this huge spike up. Don't know whether I can find on my group chat or not. Let me try. NVD. Earnings. Yeah, it was a very, very recent one. That I told them I might be buying Nvidia, but there's earnings tomorrow after market close. So lower your risk if you want to follow, as is speculation, and Nvidia can move in either direction at least 10%. This was the one on the 27th of May. Yeah, I went to speculate Nvidia for the earnings, but it turned out really, really well. Only the most recent one is spiked for the first time year to date. Okay, wait, I think but for the past four earnings, the first three they broke the expectation but still dropped leh. Oh, you mean for Adobe, is it? Yes, welcome back, random. Okay, oh, this one drop, this one drop, this one drop. Okay, what you say is true. So maybe the fourth time is the miracle. Adobe might fire off. Okay, if you're up for the risk, you can buy. Wow, good observation, user. Roderick. Hello, the option expert. Oh, you mean Nvidia, huh? But same thing also applies to Adobe, though. You look at Adobe for the past three. 1, 2, 3. All beat earnings, but it tanked. So I think fourth time will be the miracle. So Adobe might fly up today after market close. These guys, give me bad influence. Bro, I like your name, lah. Really, you're this guy, Roderick, nigga with the gold chain. Hey, bro, I think I cannot say that word. That word. Just now, TikTok actually flagged me for saying something like abusive behavior. So I think I cannot say that word anymore. I need to be a bit more mindful. Yeah, then they prompt me, they say what consecutive violation, they will actually ban my account. Yes, yes. So I have to be, careful on what I say. See, roll the rig, change such a name. Yes, also same thing. No, this is what? Yeah, I thought I click on Nvidia. How come it didn't change? Okay, let's look at Nvidia. Okay, this earning it went up. This it didn't go anywhere. This didn't go anywhere as well. And this is actually tanked after that. So the fourth time is the miracle. Roll the rig. The fourth time is the miracle. You know, 3 times that Nvidia beats earnings, but then it tanked, and the fourth time it went up. So Adobe might be the same. Okay. Okay, AMD is looking great now. I think, bro, you can start to draw the trend line already. I would definitely like to see, Nvidia coming to at least minimally, break this low somewhere around here, and inside this zone, if it holds well, right, I might start to buy from here. For AMD, so the lowest point is about 118.85, and mid zone is about 119.7. Yeah, bro, the rig, Adobe, I got a feeling like I think Adobe will fly up tomorrow. Okay, 3 times already, three earnings, it beats 3 earnings, but every single time it dumps. The fourth time might be the miracle. I also looking to shop holdings, hold some cash. But 5% month to date, no complaints. Random, you're better than me lah. I 4% only. Thanks to Tesla. Okay, mine is because I think I took a lot of break even. Like my baba or the coming back to my break even already. So I give back quite a lot. So right now I'm only about 4%. Yeah, Tesla is good lah. Tesla so far is looking great. Maybe like what I said, you might get one more leg down before the upside. Okay, guys, 1 o'clock already. Tesla and Google. Nice, nice, nice. Tesla and Google, I think should be fine. Google looks good though. Yeah, just wait for a while, let it run. Okay, guys, time for bed. Okay, time to go to sleep. 1 o'clock now. Yes, so I have energy tomorrow. You guys also should sleep early. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye. Good night. Thank you so much, everyone. Really, thank you. See you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.